what would have happened is, first, an audit of the licenses they've issued. To what extent are they irregular? And notify the owner who sought approval from their office why they are irregular. So an audit is done on all the 5,000 buildings that I've mentioned. And the licenses are cancelled, because you cannot write a notice, so to say, demolish, and you had approved earlier. So what was the reason for approval? Did you comply? And if you did not comply, what can you do to remedy? Because these are big investments, millions of shillings, businesses, livelihoods. Is there something that somebody could do to restitute if they have infringed on the license conditions? Because the license has conditions of what you need to comply. So is the authority saying all these have not complied with that? That will also come to the question of, were they following up to ensure that the people are complying with the conditions of license? And the authorities, more so the county government, they gave occupation certificates for buildings. If at that point they realized that they had encroached on riparian, or they had not observed the conditions of license, they could not have been given occupation licenses. So I think the counties and the agencies need to come out clean on how they are involved and how they remedy this situation.